All right, language explorers. So let's have a look at today's word of the day. So glacier. Yeah, look at that. Glacier. 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 Yes. A giant piece of ice. So ice. Ice. Very good. Ice. That slowly moves. Slowly moves. Yes, slowly moves. Very good. This is the first glacier I've ever seen. I have never seen a glacier in person. They know how glaciers are made. He likes glaciers a lot. She thinks that glaciers are boring. It is the biggest glacier on the continent. Yeah, Europe, North America, South America, and beyond. The biggest one. Yeah. These glaciers are very old and slow. Yeah. These glaciers have been here for thousands of years. How cool is that? Yeah. This glacier has moved 1 kilometer over a year. That glacier started further up the river from here. It started further up there. Yeah. We're watching the glacier move slowly. We can relax and enjoy the view while the glacier slowly moves downhill. Yeah. In the future, this glacier will reach the earth. Reach the sea. Yeah. So sometime in the future, the glacier will eventually reach the sea. Yeah. We think it will take the glacier around, well, 100 to 200 years. Yeah, it depends on things. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, glacier. So, can you use glacier in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching for English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram, as well as on Udemy by searching for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.